Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest experience and want to stop seeing similar product recommendations for a specific pin, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable the Show Similar Products feature for any individual pin on Pinterest. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Pinterest app open on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space. Next, look for the Pins tab. This tab displays all the pins you've saved. Tap on it to view your collection of pins. Scroll through your pins and find the one you want to update. Once you've found it, simply tap on that pin to open it in full view. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a menu with more options. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Go ahead and tap on Edit to access the pin settings. Within the editing screen, scroll down until you see Advanced Settings. Tap on this section to expand more options. Here, you'll find the toggle for Show Similar Products. By default, this feature might be turned on, which means Pinterest will show you recommendations for products similar to the ones in your pin. To turn this off, simply tap the toggle next to Show Similar Products. The switch should move to the off position, indicating that similar product suggestions are now disabled for this specific pin. Don't forget to save your changes. Tap Save in the top right corner to make sure your new settings take effect. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Show Similar Products feature for your chosen pin. Now you can enjoy a more personalized Pinterest experience, free from unwanted recommendations. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Pinterest tips and tricks.